Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on MarekB 3. To connect to Wi-Fi on MarekB 3, go to Settings, then Wi-Fi, and now you can choose the network you're connected to and, for example, forget. Then you can connect to another one. Enter its password, then click on connect. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.